Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Feeling good.
Where are we right now?
We are in Jumby Bay, Antigua.
How did you make your way here?
Private jet, of course. Then we got into a taxi and another boat to make it to a private island. Over 8 months, we've been planning this destination wedding. The design process happened immediately. We needed to have the infrastructure for the event first and the framework for the event before we even take off on the florals and all the other fluff. So you'll see multiple build outs across 3 different spots on the island.
What's the biggest challenge when planning a wedding on Jumby Bay?
The logistics, the barges, the shipping containers, and the jets. Everything that you need in order to get all these things to a private island, you have to be hyper organized. The logistics were the toughest part. Right now we have over 200 production staff across 4 different locations, across 2 remote islands. We have timelines upon timelines upon timelines in order to make sure that everybody is where they need to be. I do have the LLG process to qualify vendors here, to qualify my own staff. I'm bringing a full senior team from LLG. I flew everybody in from New York. I brought in my A team for this job. The vibe is laid back. It's casual. This is not New York elegance. This is barefoot elegance. We are here to just put our toes in the sand, in the water, hang out, have a good time. There's gonna be like a bar in the water, you know, and a big bonfire and pillows on the beach. Like, the vibe is laid back, casual, and super fun.